When I first started learning English, I once said, I am so boring instead of I am so bored. And immediately everybody laughed at me. And it taught me to laugh at myself and keep going. Hey there, struggling to speak English fluently? What if I told you just 10 minutes a day could change everything? Today, I will share 5 powerful habits that helped me and thousands of others speak English confidently. Trust me, if you follow these habits consistently, you will see amazing progress. Ready to transform your skills? Okay, let's go habit by habit. Habit number 1, think in English. You see, most of the learners struggle with English because whenever they want to speak anything, they think in their native language first, then translate it into English. But that takes a lot of time, right? So, here is the trick, just start thinking in English directly. That's all. For example, imagine you are at a coffee shop. Instead of thinking, I want to have a coffee in your native language, just think the same in English. Of course, this is small, but it makes a lot of difference, right? And when you wake up in the morning, describe your morning routine like in English, like I'm brushing my teeth, I'm making a coffee, and this kind of sentences. When you are outside, try naming things around you in English. For example, that's a red car, the sky is cloudy today. So, in this way, the more you do this, the faster English will come naturally to you. Okay, and habit number 2, speak out loud every day. Speaking is like a muscle, so the more you use it, the stronger it gets. Got it? It might feel awkward in the beginning, but remember, every fluent speaker started somewhere. Even 5 minutes a day can build your confidence. Okay? So, here are 3 things that you can do. Number 1, stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself and about your day. Number 2, read one paragraph from a book or an article out loud. And number 3, record yourself speaking and listen to it so that you will definitely notice where you can improve. Okay? And even if there is no one to talk to, make your own practice sessions. Got it? And habit number 3, use the shadowing technique. Use the shadowing technique. Ever heard of the shadowing technique? It's super effective. So just pick a short video or podcast or a dialogue in English, play it and try to repeat exactly what you hear at the same time. So this is called a shadowing technique. For beginners, try TED Talks or YouTube channels like BBC Learning English. For advanced learners, podcasts like The Daily or TED Talks Daily are great. Okay, start with the slow conversations, then move to natural speed ones. This improves pronunciation, rhythm, and fluency without memorizing grammar rules. Okay, try it for just 10 minutes a day and you will see the difference definitely. Okay, now the habit number 4 is learn and use one new phrase daily. Instead of memorizing difficult words, focus on phrases and expressions. For example, you can use the phrase better late than never when you are late to somewhere. And I will keep you posted when you promise to update someone. Okay, so what is the key here? Use this kind of phrases and simple sentences in a real conversation that day. That way, they stick in your mind forever. So here I'm giving you a challenge. Use today's phrase in comments below this video. I will try to reply to as many as I can. Okay, and finally, habit number 5: make mistakes. See, my friends, mistakes are a part of learning. Even native speakers mess up sometimes. So you know that when I first started learning English, I once said I am so boring instead of I am so bored, and immediately everybody laughed at me, and it taught me to laugh at myself and keep going. So remember, mistakes are just stepping stones. Okay, so don't hold back. Speak even if it is not perfect. Instead of worrying about grammar, focus on expressing your ideas. If you forget a word, describe it another way. Okay, so confidence is the secret ingredient to fluency. Alright, let's quickly recap what we have discussed till now in this video. Habit number 1, think in English. Habit number 2, speak out loud daily. Habit number 3, try shadowing technique. And habit number 4, learn and use one new phrase daily. And habit number 5, embrace mistakes. So, which habit are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel English Friend 360 and ring the bell so that you will never miss a tip in the future. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and keep shining. Bye.